Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to zoom in, zoom out on TikTok. Zooming is an essential feature while recording TikToks. So, how to zoom in on TikTok? There are two methods. Method 1, zooming in on TikTok using an effect. TikTok has many effects and features designed to enhance your editing experience and give you the best video outcome. One essential filter that every TikTok user should know how to use is the zoom effect on TikTok. There are several ways to zoom in or zoom on TikTok, and you can choose what you suits to the best. Here's how to do it. Open TikTok app on your mobile. Then tap the plus icon at the bottom and tap Effects on the bottom left of the screen. Scroll or search to get the zoom filter and select any filter that suits you. If you can't find the zoom filter by scrolling, TikTok has a search bar to make navigation easier. You can tap on it and search for the filter of your liking. Using the zoom effects would give a smoother zoom in on your TikToks for an amateur videographer. However, if you want to apply the zoom feature on TikTok without using the filter, there is also a way to zoom in manually. The second method, zooming in on TikTok manually. Although the filter gives the edited video a flawless finish, you can still choose to zoom in manually. The effects won't be as refined as the filter, but it will get the job done much quicker. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the plus sign at the bottom and start recording by tapping and holding the record button. Then, drag your finger up the record button to zoom in and down to zoom out. When you're done, click on the tick box appearing on the right side of the screen to save your video. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.